721 is Ruben Barnard. 721. Have a 721 on my list, but I believe it might be Ruben Barnard that's in that car. Right on the second row of the grid. Number on the car. And the 78 car. Alongside him, that's Keegan Enard. So 721, the mystery driver. And another mystery driver in what looks like it's a 726 car. That's Clint Clarkson. 515. That's Dion Kretzmann in the Triple L plant. Higher car, and fantastic to see him running the Motormount branding on the front of the car as well. Right behind him, Rekhard Jubei in the 133 car. Gets bogged down at the start, battling to get away. He's dropped right to the back of the grid, but Peter Nalanga way out in front. He has got Dion Kretzmann. It's overdoing it a little bit in the corner. He's slotted into third. Rekhard Jubei right behind him. Then it's the 48 car, Makeda Kotze, and it's a big loss.
Watch, they're going. Watch.
Second place, Jason Downer, race leader Peter Nalanga. Looking for a way forward. Jubei all over the back of the 726 car.